Fast and easy. Roller mop refill by O-Cedar. To change the refill, stand the mop on its end. Firmly tap the mop end on the floor to unlock the sponge head. Remove the old sponge head by unhooking it from the metal rod hook. Align the new sponge head to the metal rod hook. Slide the new sponge on the metal rod hook. Push the grip handle toward the sponge to lock the refill in place. Dip the mop in a bucket of water with your favorite cleaning solution, wring, and mop. O-Cedar recommends replacing the sponge every 3 to 6 months to maintain the best cleaning results. O-Cedar makes your life easier. Visit us at ocedar.com.